Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I have 7 thrift store makeovers that I transformed from trash to beautiful high-end decor that I absolutely love as my new treasures. So if you like DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I found a galvanized water can that had a little rust on it for $3.99. There was a sticker or paper on the side of it. I was able to use a wet wipe to remove it. I picked a few transfers from the IOD BROCANTE transfer pad, and I used the stick that it came with to rub the transfer on the side of the can. I will be using transfers in most of my DIYs in this video from the BROCANTE and traditional pots transfer pads, and I'll leave a link in the description for you where I got my transfers. I added a really pretty blue flower transfer to match the blue wording and a butterfly on the other side.
As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
And that is it for this DIY. I wanted to keep the galvanized look and just glam it up with a few transfers. Sometimes less is more, and I think it looks beautiful in my garden. I found a cute ceramic plate or frame. I'm really not sure what this is called, and I got this one for $3.99. I applied a coat of the DIY liquid patina so the paint will stick better as it has a shiny coating on it. When it dried, I painted the plate with the white linen chalk paint from Rust-Oleum. I picked a Victorian lady transfer for the inside part. I rubbed the transfer on the front, and I think she definitely belonged on this piece. I wanted to give it more of that vintage aged look. I brushed antique wax over it and let it dry completely. I used a piece of 220 grit sandpaper and gave it a light sanding to make it look like a frame, and the Victorian lady has been around for a long time, and I hope I got this one right. I sealed it with antique wax from Waverly. And that is it for this one. I really like how this DIY turned out, and I think the vintage frame is so beautiful, and it's a nice addition to my she shed. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. I found a wood tray with a handle for $3.99. I like the wood, but I wanted to change it up just a little bit. I painted the tray with a coat of the white linen chalk paint, and I didn't give it a full coat as I still wanted just a little of the wood coming through.
Go.
I picked an angel transfer. I removed the wording and rubbed the angel part on the front of the tray. And that is it for this DIY. The tray can be used for so many different things, like carrying glasses to a table or silverware, decorating it with flowers, or sitting on a dresser holding jewelry, keys, anything that needs a small space. I really like how this tray turned out, and I know this tray will be used for many, many things. I found a red metal holder for $2.99. I gave it a few coats of white acrylic paint that I had on hand.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means.
When it dried, I rubbed a transfer in the circle part and the wording above.
All the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
I rubbed my ink pad along the edges and on top of the holder to give it a chippy look. I sealed the holder with a coat of the DIY liquid patina.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
I love finding these kind of holders. They are so beautiful for flowers, but they can be used for anything that will bring happiness to you and your space. I found a hard purse box for $5.99 that was originally from HomeSense. When I opened it, it was like a wood box inside. I disputed on leaving the purse as it was, but I decided to give it 2 coats of the white linen chalk paint from Rust-Oleum to show the beautiful detailing on the outside.
I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving, I've been saving.
I wanted to give the purse a distressed look, and I used a wet wipe to wipe off some of the paint.
Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end you.
I placed some foam inside the purse.
Me too. We can always make it.
I added reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree on top.
What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me.
I had some lavender and boxwood picks from Walmart. I took the lavender and placed it inside the foam with the boxwood.
Nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah.
And to finish this DIY, I added some baby breath from Walmart to finish this beautiful flower arrangement.
Call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime.
I can switch out the flowers for other seasons, and if I decide later down the road, I have the option to repaint this adorable wood purse for another look. But right now, I'm loving it as it is, and I think it will be around for quite a while. I found a wood box. I think it was used for wine bottles at one time. I'm not quite sure what these are called, but I love it. And I got this one for $5. It has a leather-like material on the outside with a hard wood material, and the inside has a beautiful wood tones that I will be leaving as is. I taped all of the wood, and I painted just the leather part with 2 coats of the white linen chalk paint. And when it dried, I sealed it with a coat of the DIY liquid patina.
Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come.
I picked a transfer from the IOD BROCANTE transfer pad and rubbed the transfer on the front of the box. I really love how this turned out. It's unique and is perfect for flowers or even a bottle of wine. It sits on top of an antique suitcase that was given to me by a dear friend in my she shed. I placed a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a white cotton lace doily inside. I found 5 8x8 pieces of wood in a bag at the thrift store. I think I paid just a couple of dollars for them. I originally did a fall DIY with this one, but I decided I wanted to make it over. I sanded the top to remove as much as I could.
Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
And then I gave it a coat of the ink chalk paint from Waverly. When it dried, I painted 2 coats of white acrylic paint that I had on hand. I used a 220 grit sandpaper to distress the piece of wood to bring out the ink chalk paint.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you.
I rubbed a transfer on the front and sealed it with a coat of the DIY liquid patina. And that is it for this one. These are cute decor pieces that can be made for a shelf, a tier tray, or even to hang on a wall. I hope you were inspired today with some new ideas for those thrift store items or that one piece of decor sitting in the corner that needs a new, fresh look. Sometimes all it needs is a coat of paint, add some flowers or transfers or stamps just to give it that new look. Decor can be expensive to buy if you're on a tight budget. So take a look around your home and see what items you may have that needs an update. Use your imagination and don't be afraid to try something different. I want to thank everyone for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day and bye for now.